Hello, I am a health enthusiast and practicing nutrition as a hobby. Today I am going to talk on oxidative stress, its cause, effect, and remedy. We all know that our automobile need fuel to produce energy. We fill our vehicles with petrol or diesel to run it. Same way our body also need energy to do our day-to-day activities. Energy we get from our food. That is not enough, we also need oxygen to survive. When we breathe, air enters our lungs. We fill our lungs with fresh air rich in oxygen. Oxygen mixes with blood. This oxygenated blood travels to all parts of our body via heart. Hemoglobin then releases the oxygen so that it can enter our body cell. Every cell in our body is like a furnace called mitochondria. We all know that from the furnace occasionally outflies a cinder or the spark that lands on the carpet, burning it a little hole in it. One single cinder cannot cause much damage, but when the sparking continues for months and years, it may damage the carpet and it may look like this. The cinder from the furnace represents free radical and the carpet in front of the furnace represents our body. Whichever part of our body receives most number of free radicals, that part is likely to damage first and develop chronic degenerative disease. For example, if it is eyes, you may develop macular degeneration. If it is blood vessel, you may develop heart attack or stroke. If it is brain, you may develop Alzheimer or Parkinson disease. If it is joint space, you may develop arthritis. After passing several years, our body may appear like damaged carpet in front of the furnace. The process of damaging body cell by free radical attack is called oxidative stress. It is same as rusting of iron or browning of apple. Oxidative stress is the root cause of all chronic degenerative diseases. What is the solution? How do we prevent it? How do we neutralize the free radicals immediately? The answer is antioxidants. We actually have our own army of antioxidants that are capable of neutralizing free radicals. Antioxidants are something like glass shield in front of the furnace. Antioxidants have the capability to fight against free radicals naturally. Our body do not produce all the required antioxidants. Some of the required antioxidants must come from food rich in nutrition. The most antioxidants we get from is fruits and vegetables. That is why nutrition science recommends one should eat 5 colored fruits and vegetables on a daily basis. That will improve your immunity, that will improve your fighting against oxidative stress. Hope this information helps you. Thank you for watching. Please comment if you have